One evening, Anya sits in her room. Her laptop is open. On the screen, she sees pictures of Switzerland, snowy mountains, blue sky, white trees. Anya smiles softly. She says, "Someday I will go there." She starts a video call. Lily appears on the screen, then Rose, then Julie. They all smile. Anya shows them the pictures. "Look at this place," she says. "It looks magical," Rose replies. "I want to play in the snow," Lily says. Julie smiles and says, "Why don't we go together?" Everyone becomes quiet. Then Anya says slowly, "Yes, let us plan a trip." Their hearts feel excited. The next few days, they plan everything: tickets, hotel, clothes. Finally, the travel day arrives. Anya packs her bag slowly: warm jacket, gloves, scarf. She feels nervous. She feels happy. This is really happening, she thinks. Early in the morning, Anya reaches the airport. Soon, Lily arrives, then Rose, then Julie. They hug each other tightly. Anya holds her boarding pass. Her heart beats fast. "This is our first big trip," she says. They sit inside the airplane. The plane moves slowly, then it flies high. Anya looks out of the window. She sees white clouds, soft and quiet. Lily takes pictures. Rose smiles. Julie closes her eyes. The journey feels long but beautiful. They finally reach Switzerland. Cold air touches their faces. They take a train to the mountains. Outside the window, everything is white: snow on trees, snow on houses. Anya whispers, "This feels like a dream." They step into the snow. Their feet feel cold. Their hearts feel warm. They laugh loudly. They make a snowman. They throw snow at each other. Anya falls down. Everyone laughs. She laughs too. "I feel like a child again," she says. Now comes the big adventure: skydiving. Anya feels scared. Her hands shake a little. Her friends hold her hands. "You can do it," they say. They jump. The wind is strong. The view is amazing: mountains below, sky above. Anya screams, then laughs. This is freedom, she feels. At night, they sit quietly. They look at the stars. Anya feels thankful. The trip will end one day, but memories will stay forever. This journey changed her. Friendship made it special. This was Anya and her friend's Switzerland adventure. Slow, beautiful, full of joy. Thank you for listening. See you again. Goodbye, my dear friends.